Hi everybody, today we are going to go through the good, the bad and the ugly of some of the highest ranked products from The Ordinary. I know the names can be tricky, especially to a layman like you and I, mainly because the company labels its products with the active ingredient. So here I have consolidated for you all that you need to know about the highest rated products from this brand. But before we get started, just ignore the lip cut that I have. I fell down and that's another story that we want to keep it for another day. But for now, I just want to welcome you back to my channel, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be a part of Tashian family, one video every Wednesday. And let's get this video started. Now I will be covering all the highest rated but mild products from each category, be it skincare, makeup or hair care. So this video would be best for you if you're newbie to this brand, not necessarily a beginner to skincare though. What I mean by this is that because the brand carries products with high potency, it is very important to have a detailed guidance before we start to use those products, which is why I will cover those in a longer video and basically a more detailed video. But for now, let's just keep it to more everyday products, but the best of the best. Now for a bit of background, this brand is basically owned by DCM, which is the Abnormal Beauty company, and The Ordinary is its star brand. Now the price point on this brand is exceptionally affordable. So you get almost everything of the brand under $10 and you get to save a lot of bucks. And it is a great deal because you're getting it for the standard quantity. Now the brand understands that it is extremely difficult for somebody who's not a physician or not related to medicine. Actually, do even the physicians understand this? Hell, I don't know. But since the brand understands that, they have on their website complete details of how each and every ingredient can be used on your face or your hair, and what each ingredient is beneficial for. Now enough of me rambling, let's get on with the star products and review each one in order to understand whether they're actually hot or not. So first let's just start with hair care and then we'll move on to makeup, and then in the end we'll go to skincare. I will include timestamps in the description box down below, so you can basically jump right to the section of the category you're most interested in. First, we have the multi-peptide serum for hair density. Now this one is not only just the most wanted, quite literally, but also my personal favorite from the brand. So much so that I'm only halfway across the first bottle and I got myself the second bottle so I would never run out of it. Now this product does come in UV protective packaging with a glass bottle and a dropper at the top. Also, it has about 60 ml of the product, which is about 2 fluid ounces. Now you don't need too much of this product and you'll understand that why when I go through the video, but even if you use this almost every day, you will only run out of it after 2 to 3 months of regular use, which is very good. Now getting into the specs, this retails for about $15 and is basically used for improving hair growth and hair health. Now as you can see, this is liquid in texture and you just need to apply a few drops right after your hair wash, but after drying up your hair. Now whenever I apply a few drops of this straight to my scalp, I immediately go in with my fingertips and massage it into my scalp. Now let's get to what it actually does for my hair. Now I have always been a combination skin girl, not just on my face but also on my scalp, and my scalp does have a head of its own, and let me just say it's not this one. So for long I have been researching for a product which would maintain the pH balance of my scalp but not just make it oily right after hair wash. I was gladly surprised to see such an affordable product be the solution to my problem. Over time, I have seen my hair become softer, healthier and shinier despite all the heat that I put them through, and boy, I am less of a shedder now. Now I do not know if the effect will wear off if I stop using it, but I probably wouldn't, mainly because it is keeping my head full of hair, and I would also recommend it to you to give it a try. Now I had promised myself to only talk about one product per category, which was the highest rated, but I couldn't hold myself about not talking about this product, which has been from the same company, which is the DCM company, but not the same brand. and this brand is basically Hair is Fabric. Sorry. Now this has been the highest rated product of this brand, but it is an absolute fail for me. Now this is not to say that this product will not work for you. It just did not work for me though. Now since this is from a brand called Hair is Fabric, it is enticing, yes, but effective, no. Now it calls itself a conditioner, but it is actually a shampoo, and it has the weirdest consistency if you look at this, but that is absolutely not the problem. So it comes in this toothpaste tube which has about 180 ml of product. I have used most of the product, so it is sufficient for me to pass on a judgment. Now like any other sulfate free shampoo, you basically just have to work it into your hair. It will probably not lather, but just leave it on for a couple of minutes, wash, rinse and smile. But I didn't. It just left my hair stretchy and dried, and more so irritated after I just only towel dried my hair. Now the brand does claim that it does not have any detergent like chemicals, but it has more like exotic oils and precious natural extracts. But if that is the case, I do not understand why it absolutely did not work for me. So if Hair is Fabric, this is absolutely not the detergent or the fabric softener or anything that I would want it to be. Now for makeup, we have the most hyped product, which is the Serum Foundation, and retails only for $7. Now this little baby may look small, but it actually has about 30 ml of product, which is the standard quantity in any of your other foundations as well. Now it has this pump dispenser which is very clean and spill proof, which I absolutely love for any foundation. Now it is made with water as a base, and it is oil free, nut free, gluten free, alcohol free, vegan and cruelty free. Actually the whole brand is cruelty free. Now focusing on the product itself, it has a liquid texture, and it does provide medium coverage, or so the brand suggests. I'm not sure how those two stay together, and in my case they actually don't. For me, this product does not work without a primer, as it basically settles down into all of those nook and crannies on my face that I actually didn't even know about. It does have a very silky and natural finish, and I'm assuming that is because it's a serum foundation, which is what I normally gravitate towards. Now this guy has been a hit and miss for me, as even though the texture is easy to wear and lightweight, I always need to dip into another medium coverage foundation in order to get that flawless finish, which basically kills the vibe of the product, as it always needs to be supplemented. Now next is skincare. I have here with me two products which are equally good, super products, and they're not just good for your skin but also for your hair. Now the first one here is pretty basic, which is 100% organic cold pressed Moroccan argan oil. Now I have tried argan oil from various brands, including the one which is the best seller on Sephora, which is this Moroccan oil. Now comparing these two, the Ordinary wins hands down, because it is more lightweight, it is more easy to use, and it is also not as costly as this one right here. Now if you are in the market for a good argan oil, look no further. Now this one is much cheaper, better, efficient, and all in all, value for money. Now I also use this oil as a conditioning agent for my eyelashes and brows, especially before I go to bed. You can use it with a spoolie and apply it liberally on your eyebrows and lashes for those dark, thick and shinier looking brows and lashes. Also, just applying a few drops of the argan oil on my skin makes it look a tad bit healthier, and also imparts a very soft natural glow. It also helps to push back in those healthy oils into your skin surface. Now due to its dual utility, especially for your hair care as well as skin care, I think this is a must-have, especially for the low cost of about $7. That's it. Now the second one here with me is this 100% plant-derived hemisqualane. Now this one too has a liquid consistency, and it has about 30 ml of product in this small UV protected glass packaging, which is almost about 1 fluid ounce. Now this one retails for, take your guess people, just about $4. Now this one is a hydrator, especially for your hair and skin. It basically locks in the moisture and maintains its suppleness. Especially for the hair, this one is a big savior. As you can see, I have thin and frizz prone hair. So due to the light texture of this thing, even if you end up applying few extra drops all across your hair, which happens in my case all the time, you won't end up with oily or sticky hair, which is perfect. And it also helps with those flyaways. What I do with this thing is just throw it in my handbag, and whenever I'm out and about, I just take out a few drops, especially when I'm in a windy area. I take out a few drops and apply all across my hair, and it just helps to tame that frizz. Now for the skin, you just need about 2 to 3 drops to spread it all across your face. And not just that, you can basically supplement it with another serum or another moisturizer in order to ensure that there's that extra hydration to lock it in. This one is a non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. It does feel lightweight and it does apply evenly. So all in all, it is a must-have, especially for the price point as well as the active ingredient in this. So you should give it a try too. Now the last but not the least is this Ascorbyl Glucoside Solution 12%, which is a brightening serum with stabilized vitamin C derivative. Now this 30 ml bottle retails for just $12.90, and it is a skin brightener thanks to the topical vitamin C derivative ingredient. Now the product itself is very transparent and it almost has a gel-like finish. It is safe to apply twice a day, both in the morning as well as in the evening, but I would suggest you to do a patch test either on this section of the arm or over here in order to check the sensitivity of your skin to the vitamin C. Now this one is a pure hit for me and it is a much loved item. Now ladies and gentlemen, this was all for the mild yet highly rated products from the Ordinary brand. If you would want me to do another video on the high potency products as well, let me know in the comment section down below, and I, as always, will make one. Until then, do check out these videos that I have tried right about here. And this is me signing off. You take care, love yourself, and keep on shining.